when you're running 24/7, you know pretty quickly the equipment you can count on. And since we've been running since 1984, this plant has, but Chief didn't even own it until 1990, so all that equipment was there this whole time. And yet it's still working today. We use it today. Those bins, those elevators, you know, a lot of this stuff that's in there has been there the whole time, and we've added and added. But that's really remarkable, and you see the test of time. And as you said, it was commercial equipment. It wasn't even the port quality grade. So this is just, I'm so excited about what we're going to receive, because I know the dependability we've got. And it was, obviously we were going to use Chief, but we didn't just use Chief just because. I mean, we're honored to use the Chief stuff. So that's what's exciting about it for us.
That's a true testament to the quality of Chief Industries.
Absolutely. So one of the things, like with our system, is that, you know, what all do you do in that?
We like to say we do it all. For your system, you'll have the conveyors, the elevators, the storage bins, hopper tanks, our Lamanco system, which are square hopper tanks tied in along with your hammer mills. We're truly your one-stop shop. We offer it all for your plant.
Well, I know on the design side, it was nice to sit down with your team, and from when that truck pulled onto the plant to when the truck leaves and it gets into our process, it was all your guys' domain, and you knew the whole process to there.
Yeah, we like to think from the time the truck dumps it into the ground till the time it gets to the hammer mill, we know exactly what we're doing.
So what all products do you have on our site, or will you have on our site?
On your site, we'll have drag conveyors, elevators, catwalks, towers, flat bottom bends, hopper bottom bends, and our Lamanco system.
That's a lot of stuff.
It's a lot of things. We do it all.
Well, that's handy for us because we want one point of contact, and we get it from the minute that truck pulls in to we start into our process with the hammer mills. We just have one point of contact to deal with every piece of equipment that's handling all the way through that whole thing throughout, which is quite remarkable.
We would expect it to be very easy for you from the ordering standpoint. All of our systems, we have everything tied together. The erection of it should be clean and simple. And then yes, the maintenance, we'll be with you every step of the way.